Hi, let's paint pansies in watercolors. I will take you through my painting process, colors, and techniques used. I sketched these pansies using few reference photos. And before I start painting them, let me show you which colors are used to paint them. Gamboge, that is yellow, violet, intense blue, cerulean blue, and cobalt blue. With these colors, let's begin. For this entire painting, I have used wet on wet technique. That is, applying water to the desired area first and then the paint. Along with that, I have also used charging technique as well, where I have blended another color on the existing color, which has created some nice softer gradients on the paper itself. I began with gamboge from the center of the flower, and since the paper was wet, I gave direction to the color to spread with my brush. And then I introduced cerulean blue along the border of the petal. This is a transparent color, and to saturate it more, I painted another thicker layer of yellow on it. Then, to charge blue with yellow and to show some folds, I am using rigger brush. You can use any other brush as well, but a thin brush so that details can be painted. Like here, I am slowly giving direction to both the colors to show the subtle folds on the petals. In that process, they blend, creating some greens and visually give depth. This painting can be done in two ways: applying water overall and then working with each color. Wait for certain amount of dryness to blend second layer or second color. Or the way my process is, that is painting petal by petal and trying to finish the details by taking the advantage as the paper goes from wet to dry. Here, I would like to take a moment and let you know that I post real-time voiceover step-by-step tutorials on Patreon, which comes with many additional benefits. So, if you like my work or it inspires you, then do consider joining me on Patreon and let's grow together. Now, back to painting the flowers. Here, I am using intense blue from Winsor & Newton. I added few more layers of blue and some violet. So far, this is how pansy looks, and I move ahead to paint another petal, again with intense blue and violet. Violet blends seamlessly with blue, especially near the folds, and creates a nice saturated blended color. Painting with these two primary colors is like working on an edge. I do not want them to mix and become green, yet blend on the paper. So my brush movements, dampness of the paper, color on my brush all matter. Some folds on these petals are painted when the paper was almost dry. Through the entire process, this painting was to find the balance between soft and some definite edges, lost edges which will create some interesting watercolor textures as well, and most importantly, blending on paper. This was the entire process of painting these two pansies in watercolors using wet on wet and charging techniques. Hope you enjoyed the video. Meet you all in the next video. Till then, happy building.